me parts to do. Get a wee quick look here. So there's a bit of ply here, fixed that off. It's made everything nice and tight. And then obviously this is dry lined, which means it's not actually skimmed, it's just plasterboard where they'll fill in the screw holes and then they'll just paint it. So we did have a bit of plasterboard, but it's too thick, so we used the thinner one. And then what that allows you to do, well, I fixed another wee button in there as well. What that allows you to do is if you get it the right way around, is fit up inside, and you can see a bit more of a gap and lip, so I can fill it all with plaster now and have a nice flush finish. So I'll show you a couple of stages during this video, but again, I seem to be getting loads of jobs with all the nice views. Here's another quick one, guys. So that one is for the metal stud, and then that one is for wood. So obviously one's slightly different. They both do work, but this has better grip on the metal, this has better grip on the wood. So I'll throw two of them in and then a few of these wood ones into the actual wood. Just wee thing there, and some people might not know. That's the bit of board up. I'll probably just offer scrims up around the edges, and then I'm going to get a mix on here, and we'll just add the water to the powder. Not the way I actually recommend doing it, but for a small amount. See me going down the lift again to the van just to get a bit more powder. So I'll just make sure it mix this nice and stiff. There we go, guys, just scrimmed on the inside. Don't want to cause a big bump. I'm just going to be working flush. So I'm going to start with the scrim up to it, and I'm going to make a wee quick mix and get it on. Nice tight stuff. Let's get it on here. Just before I put it on, I actually wet around the edges there, just to stop the stuff sucking in to the older boards. That's it all on, just give it a quick wipe round. I'm going to go and get the skimming trowel, flexi trowel, to give it a good proper trowel off. We're going to start setting, obviously.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.